Good morning to one and all. Myself Monish. I am second year BTech. Today's my topic name is Unijunction transistor. Introduction to UJT. The unijunction transistor is a three-terminal semiconductor device used primarily as an electronic switch or oscillator. It is characterized by its negative resistance region, which enables it to generate oscillations. UJTs are widely unemployed in timing circuits, relaxation oscillators, and trigger applications. Here you see the circuit diagram also. In the circuit, regulate I, B2, B2 and B1 are the bases, and VE are a resistance and structure of UJT. The UJT consists of a lightly doped N-type silicon bar with a heavily doped P-type regions called the emitter. The device has two outer bases. This device has two outer bases, B1 and B2. Here we see the previous circuit diagram. In the diagram, B1 and B2 are connected to the silicon bar, forming the main terminals. The p-type region creates a junction with the n-type material, which is central to its operation. Central to its operation and working principle of UJT. When a voltage is applied between the bases, the UJT remains in a high resistance state until the emitter voltage reaches a certain threshold. Upon reaching the peak point, the device enters a negative resistance region, causing a sudden increase in current. This negative resistance characteristic allows the UJT to function as a switch or oscillations in electronic circuits. Here is the diagram also, unijunction transistor B1 and B2 and in between E. Next, UJT characteristics. The UJT characteristics curve plots emitter current IE against emitter voltages. The curve shows a peak point IP and a valley point, indicating the negative resistance region. The device's operations depends on the voltage at the emitter relative to the basis, which determines its conducting state. Here you see the characteristics of a UJT: saturation region, active region, breakdown region. If increase the graph, active region will IB4, IB2, IB1, IB equal to 0, and the bottom also cutoff region also. Next, UJT equivalent circuit. The equivalent circuit of a UJT includes a variable resistance in parallel with diode representing its negative resistance region. It can be modeled as a voltage controlled resistor where the resistance varies with emitter voltage. This model helps in analyzing and designing circuits involving UJTs. Here you see the diagram also, the cutoff region, negative resistance region, saturation region. When the E0 reaches the peak point, that VB is equal to 10 volts, and also valley point, homemade valley point, and next, applications of UJT. UJTs are commonly used in relaxation oscillators for generating clock pulses and timing signals. They serve as a triggering devices in switching circuits and phase control applications. UJTs are also utilized in voltage regulations and waveform shipping circuits. Here you see the diagram also, unijunction transistor physical structure. So that there are two diagrams, and similarly, no advantages of UJT. UJTs are simply in design and easy to operate. These are simple design and easy to operate, requiring minimal external components. They have fast switching capabilities suitable for high frequency applications. The device is cost effective and reliable for various electronic switching tasks. Disadvantages of UJT. UJTs have limited control over their negative resistance region, affecting precision in some applications. They are primarily use a lower power circuits and may not be suitable for high power applications. This device can be sensitive to temperature variations, impacting stability and comparison with other devices. And UJTs compared to the other devices, unlike BJTs, UJTs are primarily used as a switching and timing. These devices are used as a switching and timing devices rather than amplifiers. UJTs are simpler than SCRs and triacs, but offer less control over output characteristics. They are ideal for specific applications requiring relaxation. They are ideal for specific applications requiring relaxation oscillations, whereas other devices serve border functions. Finally, uh, conclusion: UJT is a versatile semiconductor device essential in oscillators and pulse circuits. Its negative resistance characteristic enable unique circuit functionalities like timing and triggering. Understanding UJT operation and applications can enhance the design of efficient electronic systems. Here you see the diagram also. Mm, and thank you. This is all about my